What if I told you that you could make 500 a month on YouTube without ever showing your face? No fancy camera, no professional studio, no perfect English accent. I'm not talking about getting lucky, I'm talking about a real repeatable system that thousands of people are quietly using right now to make money online. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step. What is it? Faceless YouTube automation means running a YouTube channel where you never appear on camera. Instead, you use AI generated voiceovers, stock footage, or simple animations, automated editing tools. Topics that work really well for this. Things like top 10 list, motivational content, finance tips, history facts, true crime stories, meditation music. You have probably watched these kinds of videos without even realizing the channel is fully automated. And here is the best part. This channel make money through YouTube AdSense just like any normal channel. The difference, once you set up the system, it runs almost on its own. How much can you make? Now let's talk the number because I know that's why you are here. A small faceless channel with around 10,000 to 20,000 monthly views can realistically earn between 200 to 600 per month, depending on your niche. Finance and business niches pay you most. We are talking RPMs of $15 to $40 per month per thousand views. Compare that to entertainment or gaming channels where RPM can be as low as $1 or $2. So, if you pick the right niche from the start, you are already ahead of 90% of people. How to start step by step? Okay, so how do you actually start? Here is the exact process. Step number 1. Pick your niche. Don't just pick something you like. Pick something advertisers pay for. Best niches right now: personal finance, productivity, AI tools, self-improvement. Number 2. Research your video topics. Go to your YouTube dashboard, search your niches, sort by most popular, look for video ideas that already have millions of views. That's proof people want this content. Step 3. Write your script. You can write yourself your script or use AI tools like ChatGPT to help keep it simple. Keep it conversational, just like I am talking to you right now. Number 4. Generate your voiceover. Tools like 11 Labs or Morph AI can create a natural sounding voice for your script. Some of these tools are free to start. Not only that, you can also record your own voice like me. Step number 5. Find your visuals. Use free stock footage from Pixels or Pixabay, or use simple screen recordings if your topic is about online tools. Step number 6. Edit your video. CapCut or DaVinci Resolves are free and easy to learn. Add captions. This alone increases watch time significantly. Not only that, you can also use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a premium and paid tool. Step number 7. Upload with good SEO. Use a strong title, write a proper description with keywords, and add relevant tag. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 videos per week. Honest writing. Now I want to be completely honest with you. This is not instant money. Most faceless channels take 3 to 6 months before they see real income. YouTube needs time to understand your channel and recommend your videos. But here is what I have seen. The people who quit after 2 months, they never find out how close they actually were. The people who stay consistent, they start seeing results around month 4 or 5, and then things start to compound. So if you are looking for something overnight, this is not. But if you are willing to put in consistent work for 4 to 6 months, this could genuinely change your financial situation. So that's it, the easiest 500 per month side hustle that most people completely overlook. If you want me to do a full tutorial on any of these steps, comment below and let me know which one.